Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a cooking video. We're gonna be cooking up my breakfast, basically. It's gonna be potatoes. We got some vegetables going with it. Boom, boom. I might even make a little bit of like guac to put on it, but it's gonna be roasted potatoes in a skillet with scrambled egg on top, and then the vegetables mixed in. So it's gonna be good. First things first, we gotta get these potatoes cut up. But yeah, POV cooking video, man. I hope you guys enjoy it. So what I'm gonna do is chop it in half. Boom. Chop it in half. I'm gonna chop it like this. Use this bad boy. Boom. Good to go. What we got here? Got a little dirt here. Clean that off. It's not that bad. Alright, cut it down the middle again. Boom. And then with this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with just salt, pepper. Because the other spices, I'm gonna put them on as they cook so they don't just burn out. Alright, that's good. Good. A little olive oil. Bing, bam, boom. Oh, I lost one, boys. There we go. Oven's gonna be 400. I'm gonna put these in here. There we go. Alright, now we're gonna start the veggies. Go ahead, slice these up. I'm gonna slice them like this too. Get off there. I need to sharpen this knife low key. But yeah, it's a really good, nice little breakfast, you know? Who doesn't like potatoes? You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know, I guess there's people out there that doesn't, but I love potatoes. And I also love veggies that go with it, you know? Peppers are really good to go with it. Jalapeno. Can't go wrong with a little jalapeno. Just chop the end off. Cut these bad boys up. We want a little heat, so we're gonna keep the seeds in there. And I'm just gonna give it a little chop. Boom, boom, boom. All right, make sure you guys let me know if you like these POV videos as well, because it's a new thing for me. I never did a POV cooking, so hey, here we are. Here we go. Shallots are gonna go in last. I'm gonna start cooking these up though. Now what I normally do is cook them up in the skillet for a little bit, but then when the potatoes are about to be done, like I cook the potatoes like 10 minutes more, I'll throw them in there with the potatoes, you know what I'm saying? Just a little oil in the pan. I know, I probably use way too much oil, but what are you gonna do, right? I like it. So it's gonna take a little bit for the cast iron to heat up, but we'll just throw this stuff in there. What we can do at this point is, I guess we can cut this up. Why not? Later on, I'm gonna be roasting these. I might do a separate video on that though. The garlic. Come on, baby. I hate picking these apart, I'm gonna be honest. Rather annoying. There's a potato on the ground that I gotta clean up. Oopsie. Whoops-a-daisy. Let me just rinse this. I don't even use onion anymore. I mostly just use shallots, which is, I think, in the onion family, right? Just give it a nice little chop. Not too crazy. All right, so the onion can just chill for a while because we're not gonna use it just yet. All right, so right now we got a lot of like, you know, time because this is gonna cook up and then the potatoes are obviously gonna take a while in the oven. So right now you can kind of just chill out, cook this up. It doesn't need to be too high just because you are gonna end up throwing it in the cast iron with the potatoes. So yeah, just kind of let it chill. So I'll be back when everything needs to get, you know, ready. Things are changing. All right, guys, so I put in the onions or the shallots, I'm sorry, about maybe like 10 minutes after cooking the other veggies. I'm just gonna kind of let them cook up a bit. I like my potatoes like pretty well done because I like that crisp on them. So like potatoes will be cooking for a little while. And when I throw these in there, they'll be cooking for a little while too, right? Like I did this recipe before and I've noticed that I cooked them too long in the skillet, so then they kind of burn up a little bit in the with the potatoes. So I don't want to have that happen again. So I'm gonna probably put them in a little less cooked, you know, to negate that. Let's check on these potatoes, see how they're doing. They're looking good. Oh yeah, they're getting there. So So I feel like they're at like a pretty decent spot to where I can add the seasoning. So I think I'll go ahead and do that now. Red pepper flakes, garlic powder. Love garlic. This is a Tuscany blend. Tuscany blend has, I don't know, it doesn't tell you. Oh, here it goes. Garlic, tomato powder, lime frost, sea salt, onion, salt, black pepper, olive oil, rosemary, basil. I'm gonna add more rosemary though. And then I'm gonna add some paprika, smoked hot paprika, which I need more of. You know, I might actually throw it in now. Give it a, what I normally do is I do the seasoning. I let it cook up a little bit more. Yeah, might as well. I don't know, you know what? I'm gonna try it like this. Why don't we just put it in there? This thing's kind of heavy, no, yeah. Get a better grip. Yeah, let's try it like this. Why not? I'm gonna need a little bit more seasoning for the added veggies. Go ahead and do this real quick. All right. I feel like that might have taken off like a lot of the seasoning, but should still be fine. We'll see what happens. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna let that cook up, and then I'll be back when some more things that happen. All right, guys. First of all, I got my chai. I gotta put it in here. Boom. I still gotta run this. I'm gonna be honest. Throw that in there. Throw this egg. Boom. Gotta get the eggs going. You know, I wonder if I want to do. Might do a little bit of yolk action actually. You know what I need to do though? I need to get this. I really want to try out some avocado in there. So let's get this going actually, because the eggs are quick. Spoon, boom, bing, bang, boom. Get off. Oh no. Okay, we need lime juice. That was probably too much. Sriracha. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know like what you guys can see, what you can't see. I hope you can see. A little salt, some pepper. I like pepper. Onion, garlic, red pepper flake. So this can go actually on the potatoes. I was gonna put like ketchup on the potatoes because it's good with the potatoes and the egg, but I don't know how ketchup would taste with avocado in it too. So I just wanted like some fiber from the avocado. So I'm pretty sure avocado has fiber and shit. So I just wanted some like fiber, some good fats and shit. I'm gonna have to use this bowl. I'm gonna do scrambled, I think. I don't know how to crack eggs. Don't laugh at me. But I'm gonna do like this. Boom. It's currently dirty. Just a little pepper. Just a little salt. Normally I put like onion, garlic, but I put some in there and then some in there, so. I don't drink milk anymore, but normally I would have had like some milk on this. Cool. The one thing I will tell you, this pan sucks for cooking eggs. It like sticks to the bottom. I guess I think I need to do more of that. Let's check this out, man. Let's see how this is looking in here. Looking pretty good, honestly. Looking pretty good, guys. So I might use this pan to cook the eggs, which means I'm gonna cook a little bit longer. I know you guys wanna eat and you're probably like, yo, that's done. But like I said, man, I'm crazy, brother. I'm fucking crazy. I'm gonna put it on the top. I'm gonna cook a little bit longer. I think I'll put it in the bowl. Yeah, I'll put it in the bowl. Then I'll cook the egg, because the egg won't take long. And I'll just throw it on top. And then I wonder if I want to put this like underneath. You guys are probably like, that's fucking disgusting. But yeah, I don't know, maybe like that. Yo, you can put these in the dishwasher, right? Does this say no dishwasher? I mean, why wouldn't you be able to, right? All right, let's check on it again. I know a lot of people cook with like thyme. I just kind of look at stuff and I'm like, all right, that looks good, looks done, blah, blah, blah. And just will check on it here and there. I don't really time things. Maybe if I baked or something, I would time that. I think this looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and just start transferring it on top of this guacamole. Yeah, like so some of the veggies are a little crispy, a little burnt. Not as many as last time, so this is good. And I mean, you can always use, you don't need to use the spices I used, and you can use less or more or whatever you want. Obviously, it's just how I do stuff, my brothers. The other day, I cooked the potatoes on that pan, and a lot of the skin came off, but it turned into like this really good crispy. It was cool. But yeah, for some reason this pan does not like that. This pan works good. Okay, we're gonna quickly switch, and we're going to get ready for the eggs. So I'm gonna actually butter it, because I don't know, I feel like it might need a little butter. It's gonna go all over the place. All right, let's get this shit on there. All right, that's cool. Bro, I'm pretty sure one of these said do not put in dishwasher, and I don't remember which one it was. I should probably just hand clean all of these. I've been putting them in the dishwasher. I don't know why you can't though. I need to buy ones that like you can, I guess. All right, we need to start. Yeah, see, this doesn't stick as bad. I think because it's more, I use it a lot more, so it's more seasoned. That's the word I'm looking for, seasoned. Turn that off. All right, these are done. I think I'm still gonna put ketchup on it. I'm gonna be honest with you. Heinz, one more fork. All right, let's see what we got here. Got a little of everything. You're probably not gonna be able to see this. Oh, that's actually good. All right, that's actually really good. I'm gonna go kill this off. But hey, I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you like this POV video. Let me know if you like videos like this with like full POV, and maybe I'll get another one out there. Appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.